Welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today. In this video we are talking about the acupressure mat Pranamat Eco again, and I want to share with you how you can use it for your best health benefits. Well, there are really many ways you can use it, not just lay flat on it on your back, and you will definitely experience the benefits right from the first time you're going to use it. Before I'm going to show you all the positions you can use the Pranamat Eco, I would definitely mention the lotus spikes here. They are really very sharp indeed, and at first probably you might feel that it's unbearable and you can't make it. Don't get alarmed, you will definitely get used to it and become a complete pro at using Pranamat. When I got it, I was a little shocked myself because I figured that I cannot make it for 30 minutes on the mat. But it's not about the time here, it's about the consistency. So first of all, it is recommended to use Pranamat for 15 to 30 minutes, at least 3 to 4 times a week. You could do it 15 minutes in the morning, you could do 15 minutes in the evening. I'd say the longest I've done was about 45 minutes, but it's not like it has to be long. If you feel that it's really unbearable and you cannot lay on the mat or sit on the mat for a longer time, don't worry. If you could do 5 minutes, let it be. Needles, they're very sharp, but after 3 minutes you will feel the warmth, pleasant feeling in the area that you're treating, and then you will really feel good. You will like the needles, believe it or not. And then 5 minutes after, the feeling would actually be reduced to the normal. You would not feel anything, crazy. You would enjoy the mat. You will get used to it, obviously, but if, let's say, first you got the mat and you can't use it, right away, I can recommend you to use it on a couch or on the bed, and you, of course, can wear a tiny t-shirt, although it is highly recommended to use it on a bare skin, whatever area that you're treating. Just always remember, you don't need to torture yourself. You could tolerate 5 minutes, be it. What about the areas? The areas you can use Pranamat could be your hips, could be your abdomen, could be your shoulders, it could be your legs, could be your feet, and of course the most common is your back. Breast and face, they are not recommended. If you want to know about all the health benefits of Pranamat Eco, you definitely need to watch my other video where I talk in detail about it. So now let's talk about the first and most common position you could use Pranamat Eco. I would highly recommend to get the pillow along with the mat because it will definitely give you more health benefits. So what you're going to do, we are out in the nature right now, but let's say imagine you're at home. You need to put the mat on the floor. And again, if you cannot tolerate the sharp spikes at first, put it on the couch or on the bed. And then you put the pillow next to it. Pretty much the pillow accompanies the mat. I'm going to lay down with my back. And provided it's supposed to be bare skin, right? And again, you can wear a thin t-shirt, that's fine at first. Well, don't really throw yourself on the mat. The needles are really sharp. So what I recommend you to do is try to carefully help your hands, just to balance yourself. Then carefully, you lay down like that. You could bend your knees, put it towards like this. This is the best yoga position actually for the relaxation. And then another tip, when you're at home, you can put the mat and imagine there is a wall right here. All you need to do is just straighten your legs and stay in this position for as long as 15 minutes. It is also great, even great for your digestion. Also will promote great night sleep. The second position is almost the same, but you could turn the mat like this. So when you lay down, you would have your hands and arms on it. Let's just, if you want to treat your hands, let's say, like this. So you still have your shoulders, neck, and head covered with the pillow, and you also have your lower back on it, and your hands are resting. You would need to put the pillow in the middle, so it will give you a great lower back support. So it's the same thing, but your lower back will be greatly supported like that. It really feels good if you have lower back pain. For your cellulite, and not only cellulite, by the way, like, you know, you could treat all the area here, so you just sit on it. You could probably, you know, have some tan in summer, whatever, just be creative again. And I would definitely need to show you about the marks on the skin. Don't be alarmed. It will look a little scary, but they will go away. So as you can see, guys, you can be very creative in different ways of using Pranamat, the small mat, the big mat, and also the pillow. To sum it all up, guys, I definitely recommend you to get Pranamat of your own, because it will help you to renew your body, relieve the muscle tension, also promote a lot better sleep. This is my experience. I can say that I have benefited from using Pranamat greatly, and I cannot really imagine my life on a daily basis without it. If you want to know about the great health benefits that Pranamat has, you could check out my other video. I will put the details in the description bar down below. You could also use my code to get a discount if you want to purchase it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support and attention. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy. I wish you to enjoy every single day of your life, and I also want you to find something that helps you on a daily basis to be a happier and healthier person. And if Pranamat is one of those things, I am really happy that I've shared my experience and this information with you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video.